Praise be to Lord. Praise be to Lord. We join our brothers, the Christians, in celebrating this very important day, the birthday of Jesus Christ. And we use the opportunity as a government, on behalf of the government and people of both states, to thank the people, to thank the Christians for their support over the years, especially for my dear party, the PDP, and my humble self. Even when I was in ANPP, the Christians helped me and voted for me. And they believe in me, despite my limitations and my gaps in inadequacies. I really appreciate your support all through up to this difficult time that we came for the second time. Whatever we are doing that we are appreciating, we are appreciating more. Because it's something that you deserve, it's something that you earn, and it's something that befits you. Because you are all my brothers and sisters. I am a special breed of person. Most of you are my blood brothers and sisters. And most of you are my tribesmen. We come from the same source. We only believe differently. My wife has said it all. You are free to practice your religion. I am free to practice my own. There is no compulsion in religion. So it should not be a dividing factor. And you have demonstrated this. You have shown support. You have shown appreciation. You have shown humility, especially the chairman of CAN and his executive members. The little that we are doing are appreciated. That will give us a lot of encouragement. I call on you to pray for Nigeria and pray for all the leaders of Nigeria, including my humble self, because Nigeria needs prayers. We are facing difficulties. There is a lot of wahala. There is a lot of hunger. And it is something that we have to pray for God to obliterate it, to remove it. We have to say it, but certainly it's not insulting anybody. We are calling on the presidency and the federal government to change their style. Whenever a policy is not popular, they should listen to people. They should not be arrogant and thinking that whatever they come, it must be. This is not an oligarchy. This is not a military rule. They must listen to the people. And that is what makes a good leader. And we pledge to be loyal to them. But anything they are doing contrary to that, they are calling for anarchy. They are calling for intransigency. And it is unacceptable. There is a lot of wahala. We must work together. Across the party lines, across all the tiers of government, to provide succor and solace to the Nigerian people. It is not about pride or ego. We must be able to do things that people will be assisted. Because whatever it is, the situation was not like this before. If the situation was bad before I came, tell me. And I must change. And that's why the presidency must listen to the tax reform. It is not a good policy for northern Nigeria. Because we are not going to get money to pay you salaries, to do roads. They must listen. Otherwise, they are calling for anarchy. And that is not good. We voted the presidency in this state and other states. They must listen to us. They must not come up with policy that favors only one section of the country or one state in the country. It is not about religion. It is not about tribe. It is about national unity. It is about national hegemony. And this is what we are all about. Good leadership. We will continue to be loyal for the time being. If the situation persists, they will see our real color. We are going to fight for it.